Hello and welcome to the myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions. And so to begin with, we're going to have a little refresh on the first two questions and looking back at what we looked at in year 3 and year 4 to make sure we're okay with those first. So if we look at question 1, which is 6/10, and we're going to take away, we're going to subtract 1/10. So first of all, if I take a chocolate bar with 10 blocks in it. Here we go. Right, we can see that this chocolate bar is made up of 10 different parts. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, so there's my 6/10, and I'm going to subtract one of them. So if I remove one of them, we are left with 5 out of the 10, or we can also say a half. And next we're on to question 2. And this time we're going to be adding. So we have 4/7. So if I draw my chocolate bar again, I can use the full width of my page. So this time I have 7 pieces, so my chocolate bar is made up of 7 individual pieces. Okay, and I have 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my second chocolate bar also has 7 parts. I'm going to add 2 of those for the 2/7. So at the top we have 4/7, and at the bottom we have 2/7. Now when we put those into one chocolate bar, all into one chocolate bar, so there's my 7 pieces again, and I'm going to first of all put my 4/7 from the top bar, and then I'm going to put my 2/7 from my next bar for a final answer of 6 out of 7, 6/7. And finally we're on to question 3. Now this one's slightly different. Now we're moving forward from the previous 2 questions, and we have 8/10, and we're going to subtract 2/5. Now the first thing you'll notice is that this time these two denominators are different, and that is the key difference. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that they are the same and have a nice smiley face. Okay, so let's change this 5 into a 10. So we're going to change the 5 into a 10, and because we need to make sure that this fraction has exactly the same value, so we call those equivalent fractions, we're going to make sure we do the same with the top. So at the bottom, in the denominator, we multiplied the 5 by 2 to get the 10. So we've got to do the same at the top. So that's 2 times 2 equals 4. So these two fractions have an identical value. And we're going to take the original 8/10 here. And just as we did before, we're going to take that 8/10. So here's my 10 pieces of chocolate for my chocolate bar. I've got 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to remove 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm left with 4 out of 10 as my final answer. So if you see two denominators that are different, the first step is you need to make sure that they are the same, a common denominator. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Mini Maths YouTube channel for all the latest videos and news. Take care.